What's up, guys? Today we're going to be checking out these $10 Logitech S120 speakers, and I got these because when my stuff got stolen, the Bluetooth speaker got stolen, and I needed a new speaker for the bathroom, so I was thinking I was going to put these in the bathroom. Now these aren't Bluetooth, they're just you know, the wires, so you're going to have a phone with a 3.5mm jack, but that is no problem. It's not a big deal since I don't really like charging Bluetooth speakers anyway. But let's check these out. They were 10 bucks, so I was like, you know, why not? Because they're so cheap. And they are, you know, name brands. So when I got them, I was just like, I wonder what they sound like. And these can be good if you're, you know, a college student and you have a laptop and you want some actual real speakers. Or if you have a desktop setup and you want a little cheap speaker setup going on, then these should be pretty good. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at them. Alright, so they look pretty decent. I wonder if they have any bass in them. On these sides you do have a little port here for your headphones, and you have your volume knob, and you have your 3.5mm jack, and the cord looks pretty long. So let's go ahead and plug them up, see what they sound like. Alright guys, I've been listening to it, and so far I really love the audio quality for 10 bucks. Now it will distort at kind of higher volumes, which we'll see. Now again, these are not Bluetooth. You have to plug them up, 3.5 jack, and I'm only no 8 Pro just in case anybody asks. And I'm gonna go ahead and play some songs for you guys. So as you can see, extremely loud, very loud, pretty decent 808s, a little bit of distortion at the highest volume, but I'm gonna go ahead and go 2 notches down. Yeah, so that does take care of the distortion, but let's go 1 notch up. Yeah, so at max volume you will get distortion, but it is really loud. But if you go 1 notch down, it seems to take care of the distortion, and overall these sound really good. Try another track here. Now let's go to max volume. This is a high quality you know, audio file. It's not on YouTube, so let's go to max volume, see if we get that distortion. Oh wow, it actually stopped. It stopped. Huh. It stopped on max volume. And then it turned itself down. So we're getting mad distortion on this really high audio one. So let's go 2 notches down. I mean, these are pretty loud even with the 2 notches down from max volume, so I do have to give it that. So overall, for 10 bucks, I'm actually pretty impressed. These Logitech speakers are actually pretty decent. So if you have a laptop, or if you're just looking for some little cheap speakers, these are definitely pretty cool. Like I said, you know, it's not Bluetooth or anything. You do have the old school wires, but you don't have to charge them. But I actually like that. I'm probably one of the minorities. I'm not going to be taking these, you know, around. My Bluetooth speaker that I had, it never left the bathroom. So, you know, I just use it for a shower speaker. So that's pretty much it, guys. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with these. Very good pickups. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Do you guys have any speakers you guys want me to check out? Be sure to let me know in the comments down below, and I'll check you guys out in the next one.